Okay, group 1, this is Ms. Schwartz. So I was waiting on students to show up for our lesson, but I'm going to go ahead and get started with the recording. So Cedric and Lakevian, you will be doing situation spelling number 11, which it will be on another video that I've attached, so make sure you do that. But let me share my screen, just do a quick review with you. And so your situation spelling 11 will cover initial and medial k sound. You use a K or you spell with a K when it's followed by an E or an I. Initial medial k, you spell with a C when it's followed by an A, O, U, or any consonant. Now, if you followed the Zoom agenda and watched the video from last time, then you should have this paper, Cedric and Lakevian, and this is situation spelling number 11, list 1, and the 2 words you should have are hot and cod, and we will continue this list on the next video that will be attached. Now, for everybody to remember, you need your mirror and your cursive handwriting paper, and Cedric and Lakevian will need number 11 situation spelling, and Jalissa, Jaden, Brendan, and Leslie, you will need your phonetic spelling number 31. I think I accidentally kept putting 30, but it's 31. And the 2 words you should already have are wink and lump. And then in this video, I will continue that. So Cedric and Lakevian, at this point, you can stop this video and then go to the next video, which is situation spelling number 11. And the rest of you continue on this recording. So for our recording purposes, I will show you just in the beginning your spelling paper. Remember to be in writing position. You'll also need your pencil. If you are, everybody in this group is right-handed, so the best writing position, your hand will be on the top and tilted to the left, and then you'll draw arrows, not numbers. If I go too fast in the video, you can pause it at any time to stop it, okay? Remember, your cursive handwriting strip just helps you if you forget how to form a certain letter. Remember, we do not erase. If you have an error in the middle of something, let's say you did this, then just cross it out, do not erase. And then just rewrite it next to it, okay? So that's just an example. I will quit my share. Remember, mirrors will be right here. You'll look and listen to the word. Then you'll look at your mouth in the mirror, say it, stretch it out, mirror here, spell it out, write it, and code it. Now, I'm going to go a little quick, so again, pause the video. So this is phonetic spelling number 31, W, that says ready? Paper ready, pencil, mirror here. Number 3, so you should have an arrow. Wing. Look in your mirror. Wing. Ing. Spell it out. Write it. And code it. Draw your next arrow. Reminder, you can pause it at any time. Number 4, stood. You echo. Stood. Stretch. D. Spell it. Write it. And code it. Draw your next arrow. Number 5, with. You echo. With. Stretch. Spell. Write it. And code it. Draw your next arrow. Number 6, when. You say it. When. Stretch it. Spell it. Write it. And code it. Draw your next arrow. Number 7, mess. You say it. Mess. Stretch. Spell it. Write it. And code it. Draw your next arrow. Number 8, wig. You say it. Wig. Stretch it. Spell it. Write it. And code it. Number 9, grin. Grin. Write it. And code it. Draw your next arrow. Number 10, hood. Hood. Write it. And code it. Now, make sure that when you finish this spelling test, again, you can pause at any time, go back, but take a picture of it, upload it to Google Classroom, or you may email it to me at tammy.schwartz@terrellisd.org. Okay? Have a great day.